Hi friends, sorry if you can hear Trixie's tank and Riley in the background. Trixie's tank is kind of louder now. As you see the water, it needs to be cleaned out too, sorry. Anyways, today I am going to, he's smiling behind me and laughing because he's doing this on purpose. 2-year-olds. Anyways, today we're gonna today we're going to be decluttering my kitchen utensils. I have way too many. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I filmed it before doing this intro and I still have too many, but I'm happy with the ones that I have. So that's what counts. I'm happy. If you just surround yourself with things that make you happy, you'll always be happy. So I'm happy with the utensils I have, and I'm happy that I got rid of the ones that I did because I feel a little bit more clear. I don't know, I feel free. It feels great. So come along with me while I declutter my kitchen utensils. He's telling you right now that he just, yeah, they don't need to know that.
Peep.
He's telling you he pooped. He calls it peep. TMI, but it's all right. You little 2-year-old. You little silly 2-year-old. I need to change your diaper. Oh boy, do I. Woo! You guys are lucky you don't have smell-o-vision. Anyways, let's go tackle my kitchen utensils. I hope this is motivating. Alright, so Riley, hi. He's smiling for you. Happy. So he's playing with all of the utensils that were in my utensil containers on top of the fridge, on top of the counter, but that is now in the sink because it's dirty and needs to be cleaned out. Here is this. Oh my gosh, this thing is like so broken. We need to fix that. But yeah, this, we have too much stuff. Way too many utensils. I definitely need to purge quite a bit of this. This out, all of that is up there. Yeah, whole lot of stuff. And then there's these things. How does this type of stuff get in here? I don't understand, but these I obviously have to clean out and clean this up too. Yeah.
I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar.
Alright, so these are the items that I'm getting rid of. I'm donating all of these. Sorry, Mom. Yeah, it's cool and all, but I just will not use it. This is what my utensil thingy looks like now. I decided to put the Halloween one out. That'd be really fun since it's October. And then these are the things that need to go into a different location. I also cleared this out too and all that. I just think it looks a lot better. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. And then this is the end result for this drawer. Here's some things that I like to use. I love spatulas. Okay, I know I have too many probably, but I'm getting rid of some in here. There's some in there. So my spatulas and stuff in here, a majority of them. I do have some in here, like the ones I will use more of, but my extra ones I put in here. And then here's all my metal stuff, my pizza cutter that I bought from Target. I love that one. And my little egg slicer. And then some of these larger items that we just don't really use that often, but we use sometimes. And then these longer items that just have no other place to go but in here. And then my like kitchen knife right here, just really huge, is put there. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. Looks so much better. Alright guys, I'm gonna get rid of this stuff and call it a day. Alright guys, I hope it was motivating. I hope it got you to want to declutter something as well. I'm sure you have a little bit extra utensils. Most people do. So I hope that this video was motivating and fun, and stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm going to be uploading a crazy living room cleaning video. Like, my kids babysat him for a few hours, so my hubby and I, Mike, can go on a date, much needed date, and we had a blast. And yeah, so my living room was destroyed by the time I got home. So I did a cleaning video the next morning. Yay! And I'm going to share it with you. Lord help me. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Whoa. Bye.
No.
Alright you guys, I hope that was motivating. Alright guys, I hope it was motivating, and I hope that you look back